Is the property. It's a fourplex townhouse style. It is in Kansas City, Kansas. All right, let's look at the area surrounding it. Let's do a quick 360. Okay, this is in the cul-de-sac. All right, these are all duplexes. Okay, right across the street, that one right there is a sixplex. I own that as well. We'll be doing a video for that one later on. And then up the street towards the cul-de-sac, these are all townhouse-like apartments as well. The only thing, they don't have garages. I think there's like 55 in total. So here's the cul-de-sac I was talking about. And then here's our property. I'm going to try to find some pictures of the before and after of this unit. So this property right here, we did this completely redone. Okay, it wasn't down to the